This will be part 1 of the tutorial videos on Revit that I'll be doing. So today we are going to get ourselves familiar with Revit environment. So first we have to go to our desktop and locate where Revit is. In my own case, I'm using Revit 215. So we double click to launch. When you launch it, you should have something like this. Then we'll wait for it to load. So when Revit opens, you should have a windows like this. This is where you open some of your recent projects. This is new. If you have saved a work already, you can just see it somewhere around here and you pick it up. So now since we want to create a new project, we just come right here to new, then template file, browse. So I have a template already, so we're just going to click on browse. I'm going to send the template to you, so click on browse. I think it's on desktop. Then where is it? Templates, open, then you click on new projects. Okay, now we wait for it to load up. Good, our Revit is out. So this is how Revit Windows looks like. We have the title bar here, the title bar and two bars here. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. You can see wall, door, window, component, column, roof, ceiling, floor, curtain wall, room, level, some things like that. I don't want us to waste much time in trying to identify those tools one by one, because we'll still be using everything later, so as we progress. So when you just open your Revit, the first thing you need to do is to set up your page or set up your unit of measurement. So the thing you do is that you press UN on your keyboard, then you have something like this. So when this come up, mine is set already, but if yours is not, then just click on, you see this length, you come here, millimeters, decimal places. Okay, so you change everything to 0 decimal places and change them to millimeter, then you just click OK. Here you have the properties, and here you have the project browser, where you can go from first floor to second floor, front, back, and from side view, left side view. That's what you do at the project browser. Now, before we can start any design, let's assume we want to do, for the sake of this tutorial, we are designing a two-bedroom bungalow. I want you to have something in mind. Everything you do in Revit has levels. Your ground floor has level, your window level is there, your ceiling level is there, your roof level is there. If you have upper floors, the upper floors have their own level. This is what I mean by this. When you come to east or any of those coordinates here, let me choose east, you say this is your natural ground level, LGL. So we are going to add more levels to this. So to do that, we are going to add, at first, depending on what you like, I'll first add 450 for my floor level from the ground. So to do that, you just click LL on your keyboard. You click LL and this should come out. Then I'll just specify I want it to be 450 millimeter, enter. Then I'll drag it all the way here. Let's put it here. Its name is level 5. I don't want it to be level 5. I want it to have a name. So you can click on modify, then click on that, double click on the level 5. Then I can change it to my floor level. Okay. Yes. Next, I want to have my, let me say, ceiling level. Then you just repeat the same thing, LL. My ceiling level, I want my headroom to be 3000. Yeah, so you just type 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 3 meters. Enter. Then you just drag it to somewhere around here. Click on modify, double click on it. Then I'll change it to headroom. Okay. From this headroom now, I know I will have either a concrete fascia or what do they call it, or wooden fascia board, and it will be around 300 millimeters tall in height. So I just LL, then 300. From this, then my wooden fascia board is 300. So I just click here, drop it. I can just name it roof, because from here to here will be for the wooden fascia board. You can make it any value you want. So my roof is starting from here. Now we have create levels. This is how you create levels in Revit. If you have upper floor, you can still LL 150 for your oversight, for your concrete. Then you go again, headroom 3000, and it continues like that. And if you look at this place, you see we have floor level, headroom, natural ground level, roof, site. Site is the ground itself. So now we go to our natural ground level. In natural ground level, you can see these coordinates. This is your east, this is west, north, and south. So anything within this drawing, within these 4 points, will be what will be showing on your elevation. So that is that on the introducing ourselves to Revit. So in the next video, we are going to have a sketch of a 2-bedroom bungalow, and we are going to develop it. Thank you.